Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to add admin on your Facebook page. If this video is helpful to you, make sure you like, subscribe, share so that you'll be able to miss videos like this. So let's begin. The first thing is that you simply need to log into your Facebook page. Once you're there, you simply click on what? Professional dashboard. So after which you scroll down, you are going to see page recommendation. You click on it. So once you're there, you simply scroll down, you are going to see manage admins. So guys, if you want to give the person full access to your Facebook page, you simply need to click on what? Add new. That is the first option. But if you want to give the person specific access to your page, that is the person can only upload content, messaging and run ads on your Facebook page. So you simply need to choose on what? People with tax access. So guys, I want to give the person a full access to my Facebook page, so I'll simply click on what? Add new. That is the first option. So after that, you click on what? Next. So once you're here, you can simply insert the person Facebook name or the email address of the person. So I'll simply insert the person Facebook name. So once you're done inserting the person's Facebook name, you simply click on it. So after which, you simply need to click on what? Allow to the person to have full control. That is, click on it. You enable this option down here. After that, you give the person access to it. So for security reasons, you simply need to insert your Facebook password. After which, you click on what? Confirm. So guys, that's it. You have actually given the person access. So after which, Facebook will actually send this person an invitation for them to what? To become admin on your Facebook page. So once they receive the invitation, they'll simply click on it. So they'll go to your Facebook page. So you can see this is the invitation here. You simply need to what? Click on what? Review invite. So after which you simply click on what? Next. So after that, you click on what? Accept. So guys, that's actually the way you add admin on your Facebook page. As you can see, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.